Girl, you put it on me.
Boy, I tried to warn you. This is dangerous.
Who's that?
I get it.
Hey, Natasha.
Go away.
Is it just me or is there some kind of sexual tension between the two of us?
It's just you.
Is Alonzo home?
He's sleeping.
Damn, that's a nice towel.
Anything else?
I give you $500 if you show me what's underneath it.
Will goodbye help you leave?
I give you $500 cash money.
No touching.
Hey. No touching. Woo! Those are some tick old bitties.
I tell Lonzo you stopped by.
Woo, those are worth every penny.
Who was that?
David.
Oh, he borrowed $500 yesterday. Did he bring it back?